To set up fingerprint unlock on POCO M8 Pro 5G, we're gonna start by opening settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to locate the fingerprint's face data and screen lock. When you've entered it, click on the fingerprint unlock. Now it may ask you for your current password for this device, or just to create your password. You need to have a screen lock to set up a fingerprint. So now we're gonna enter my password like this. Then we can click on got it, and now to scan your finger you will need to pick one of your fingers that you want to use to unlock your phone. You can add up to 5 fingerprints later. So now we need to put that finger right here and keep tapping on it from different directions and angles until our fingerprint is properly scanned. So it should take you around 30 seconds. When it's done, click on done, and that way your fingerprint will be set up. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.